New Zealand cricket apologised to the touring Pakistan team today after a ground announcer taunted pacer Mohammad Amir by playing the sound of a cash register during the third Twenty20 International. During the third T20I game in Wellington last Friday, the announcer, Mark McLeod, played the sound of a cash register when Amir was running into bowl. I think it was inappropriate and disrespectful and has the effect of trivializing one of the biggest issues facing cricket at the moment, David White, New Zealand Cricket Chief Executive, told Fairfax Media. I've contacted the Pakistan team management to apologise and to assure them there will be no repeat.